As both political parties get set to battle it out for the Northwest St. Andrew seat, Jamaica Labour Party leader Andrew Holness and other officials are at this hour attending a meeting at the Pembroke Hall Community Centre in the constituency. The JLP is this evening kicking off its campaign to retain the seat in the upcoming by-election following the resignation of Member of Parliament Derek Smith. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis is on location and now joins us live. Giovanni?
Thank you so much in studio, Vashan. Well, we are here at the community centre in Pembroke Hall, packed with bell-ringing labour rights. The Prime Minister just announced that the nomination date for the by-election to replace Derek Smith in the Northwest constituency in St. Andrew will be next Monday, February 12, and the by-election will be on March 5 to decide who will replace Derek Smith as the Member of Parliament for Northwest St. Andrew. The JLP's candidate will be Dr. Nigel Clark for that by-election, and the PNP's candidate will be Miss Keisha Hale. Now, with me is the General Secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party, as he is walking in, Dr. Horace Chang. Dr. Chang, given the concerns, given that Dwayne Smith, the son of Derek Smith, publicly expressed his intention that he wanted this seat following his father's resignation or retirement, why wasn't a selection exercise done?
No, the party follows its constitution. We thought it was important to proceed quickly to the by-election in order to avoid any kind of disrupting the government service, as indicated by the Prime Minister, because the one-seat majority, you need to go forward quickly. Budget is due at the end of March. It's also important that the party leader use this vacancy as started process of bringing in some talent into the party. We're not saying Mr. Smith is not capable. We're saying at this time we thought it appropriate to bring someone with the talent and skill set of Nigel Clark into the government process. He will be able to make a significant contribution to the government going forward.
Given that Derek Smith himself had said that he would have wanted his son to replace him, how has this affected the party, and how confident are you going to the election on March 5?
Well, we are confident. You have seen that Dwayne is here and the party is moving forward united. It's natural that Mr. Smith have interest by his son. Dwayne is his son, and one cannot question that support for his own son. But the discussion took place, one or two events in the public space, but most of it behind the scenes, and we were able to, as a party, resolve the issue in a very amicable and reasonable manner. And we are going forward united, confident and sure of electing Nigel Clark as a Member of Parliament on the 5th of March 2018.
Are there divisions within the party as a result of this right now?
There is no division in the party at this point in time. I think we have come a long way, and I think the entire party united behind this leader, Andrew Holness, united behind the policies and program of the party and the basic philosophy of the Jamaica Labour Party.
Well, there you have it. We're coming to you live from the Pembroke Hall Community Centre in Northwest St. Andrew, an Area 1 Council meeting where Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced that Monday, that's next Monday, February 12, will be the nomination day to decide who will replace Derek Smith in as Member of Parliament in this constituency. The election day will be on March 5, 2018. Coming to you live from the Pembroke Hall Community Centre from a Jamaica Labour Party Area Council 1 meeting. I'm Giovanni Dennis for TVJ News.
All right, thank you very much, Giovanni. And as you heard right there, the by-election for the St. Andrew Northwest constituency will be on March 5. The PNP's Keisha Hale will go up against the JLP's Dr. Nigel Clark. And of course, we'll continue to monitor that for you.